Hey everyone, welcome to another Mastering Meraki video brought to you by Rhino Networks. When you open the Cisco Meraki dashboard, you see many tools that help you manage your network. One of the most useful areas is the assurance section. This part of the dashboard helps you understand how your network is performing from the user's point of view. At its core, the assurance section answers a simple question: is the network working well for the people who use it? It does this by collecting and organizing data from across your network. It looks at devices, connections, and applications, and then it presents that information in a way that's easy to review. Let's start by hovering over the Assurance section on the left and clicking Overview. This page serves as a starting point for understanding your network's health. The Overview page brings together key data in one place. It gives you a quick snapshot of how the network performs across users, devices, and connections. Instead of digging through separate menus, you can scan this page and get a clear sense of current conditions. At the top of the page, we can use this dropdown to specify a specific time frame for our data below. We can also specify specific access points, SSIDs, and band from the additional dropdowns. Under these dropdowns, we see a connected clients graph that shows us in real time how many clients are connected to our network. You can press these plus and minus buttons to zoom in and out of the graph. Under that section, we find a few other graphs that show us things like successful connections, the time it took to connect, channel availability, and coverage. If we scroll back to the very top of the page, you'll notice that we've been in the Experience Metrics tab this whole time. Let's click on the Network Services tab. The Network Services tab focuses on how key services support the user experience. It tracks services such as DHCP, DNS, and authentication, and shows whether they respond as expected. If a service slows down or fails, this dashboard highlights the issue and shows its impact on users. This helps you see if a problem comes from the network itself or from a service that the network depends on. The Network Health Score tab shows a simple measure of overall network performance from the user's point of view. It combines data from connection success, performance, and reliability into a single score. This score helps you judge whether the users can connect and use the network without delay. You can also break the score into parts to see which area needs attention. If the score drops, the dashboard points to the cause, such as a failed connection or slow response time. This makes it easy to spot problems and take action. Next, let's take a look at the Alerts page. This page shows you when the network needs attention. At the top, this dropdown allows us to select the time range we would like to use for the tables below. This section here shows us all of the alerts triggered over our selected time frame. You can hover over each bar in the bar graph for more information about the alerts. The blue horizontal lines under the orange and red bars tell us when configuration changes were made. You can click View All and it will take you to your network's event log. Further down the page, you can use these three boxes to filter the active alerts table below. In this case, there is one warning alert, and when you select the warning box, the table below updates to show us that alert under active alerts. At the bottom of the page, we can see additional alerts and logs when they occur. If we scroll back up to the top of the page, we're going to take a quick look at the Optimizations tab. This section highlights ways to improve network performance and stability. It reviews all of your current conditions and suggests changes based on best practices. Let's move on and check out the Clients page. This page gives us the ability to monitor and manage individual network clients, which can be really helpful for troubleshooting purposes. From this page, we can monitor client usage here, and if we scroll down, we have a list of all of the clients in our network. You can click each client to find out more details about them. The Web App Health page shows us how web-based applications perform on your network. Each of these boxes represent a different application, and the performance indicators within each box gives us a quick reference to the quality of the user experience. A green performance indicator symbol means that both the application level and network level are performing within the defined thresholds, and that user experience should be optimal. A yellow performance indicator symbol means that the application is having poor performance and will soon reach the red state if it's not looked at. And the red symbol tells us that there are noticeable issues with the application for some users. Finally, let's take a look at the event log page. The event log page can be used to track a number of events occurring across your network. At the very top of the page, we can click on this drop-down menu to select the event log for a number of different categories. In this gray box here, we can filter the event log by a number of different parameters. We can search by client, date, event type, and more. Under this box is the event log itself. which shows us the time of the event, the device that the event is referring to, the event category and type, and details about the event. This page is especially useful for someone trying to troubleshoot or monitor their Meraki network. And that should cover everything you need to know about the assurance section. In short, this section acts as a guide for network health. It helps you see what users experience, detect problems early, and understand their cause. And this allows you to respond with precision and keep your network running smoothly. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more from Rhino Networks.